How to delete Life360 circle. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. For this, make sure that your Life360 application is up to date. To check on that, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Life360. So in here you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Or just go ahead and tap open. Once you are in your Life360 application, make sure that you are logged in. Then head to the settings option and tap on circle management. In here you will see the option of leave circle, tap on it. You'll be able to delete the circle if you are the admin of the circle by just tapping on leave circle. This is a quick and easy process. However, if you experience any glitch issue, follow this next step. Press and hold on to your application and head to app info. Force stop it, then head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. Now once you do this, you can open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Life360. Tap on the application and make sure that it is up to date. Next step is the extra step. Open up your phone setting. From here, tap on System Update. Now once you are in here, make sure that your system is up to date. It is to ensure that the Life360 version is supported by your device. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.